Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Green Lane Holdings. Now the stock has almost hit its previous lows. So obviously this is probably the time to look at this trend at least. And the simple reason behind this is the risk reward. So if you are looking at this particular trend, what you have here is two most important level, primarily 1.86 as your immediate support and 1.46 as your stop loss. So these will be the range that you need to look and focus on, and do not go below 1.46. This is the most important thing, above which you can do anything, but don't go below this level. Now if the stock continues to sustain above 1.86, which it has recently done, we have our first target, which will start with 3.36. So 3.36 will be the first target that we are looking at, and beyond 3.36 we have the range that we are looking at, and this will be in between 4.17 and 4.46. So 3.36 will be a first target, and then we have a range in between 4.17 and 4.46. Now beyond 4.46, if the stock started moving, what we have here is the recent high that the stock has made. Okay, the recent high that the stock has made, which will start with 5.53, then we have 7.4, and then we have the high that the stock has made in the month of February 2021, 8.97 on $9. So this is the or these are the ranges that we are looking or thinking about, because it has almost hits the lower end of the range, and with a very good risk reward we can have a less amount of or very little to lose, but if we can gain, there is more that we can probably look at here. Now because we are looking at a long term chart, probably $9 will just be a part of the big trend, right? So we are not going to satisfy with 8.9 or $9. Now anyhow, what we are looking at is beyond $9. If there is any breakout that we are observing here right now, so for that, what we can do over here, we'll just calculate the percentage change which the stock has made from the lows of September 2020 to the highs of February 2021, and you can see this is 381%. Let me show it to you. If I calculate 381% from the breakout level, we have the target, which will push the price, or the big target that we are looking at here is $42, and this is a conditional target and only happen if there is a breakout beyond $9 and if the price sustain above that. Now this is one way to drive or forecast a target. Okay, calculating the previous range, and then based on that you will get your upcoming price movement. There is one another way to define the trend, and with this we are actually working with a range which will be in between $21 and $32. So almost similar what you can see, but I'll better rather go with this one because this looks legit and this is very simple and easy to understand. So primarily you have a range which will start with 1.46 on the downside and can go up to $9, and if there is a breakout in the upcoming weeks and months, in that case the long term target will activate, and the big target that we are looking at here will be in between $42 and $43 in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.